Let's make a Captain's Blood number 2. To make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of Jamaican rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. O'Brien's recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce of a 1-to-1 simple syrup. I've got 2-to-1, so I'm going to adjust that to 1/2 of the 2-to-1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce that is, which is 15 milliliters. Finally, 2 to 3 dashes of your Angostura bitters. That's about 2.5. Add your ice and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this one. And the garnish is optional. O'Brien suggests a lime wheel. I'm not going to garnish today. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it. Captain's Blood number 2. Drink with good spirits. That is so much better.